Everyone's favorite, karaage or Japanese fried chicken and clam miso soup. To marinate karaage, first shred garlic and ginger. In a bowl, put shredded garlic and ginger, soy sauce, sake, and mirin. Mix well. Cut the chicken thigh fillet into big cuts. The bigger the cut, the less tendency for the chicken to be dry when cooking. Mix the chicken with the sauce and let it marinate for 40 minutes or more. While marinating the chicken, let's make clam miso soup. In the saucepan, put water and wash clams and turn on the heat. Skim the scum for a clean taste. Take out the clams to avoid overcooking. In a small bowl, put miso and clam soup and mix it well. Add boiled clams, and dried seaweeds. Let it cook. Done. Before frying, dredge the marinated chicken in mixed flour and cornstarch. Shred some cabbages for the side dish. To follow the traditional Japanese table setting, remember that side dishes are always placed towards the back, furthest from the person. Main dish in the center. Soup on the right, rice on the left.